Ready to dive into the world of crypto and snag some USDT? This video will show you exactly how to buy USDT on Kraken in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Kraken and click the Sign Up button. You'll need to create an account by providing your email address, choosing a strong password, and confirming your country of residence. Next up is verification. Kraken requires you to verify your identity to comply with regulations. Will likely need to provide personal information like your name, date of birth, and address. Higher verification levels usually require uploading a photo ID. Now that your account is set up and verified, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred deposit method. Kraken offers several options including bank transfers, debit card purchases, and even depositing other cryptocurrencies. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. With funds in your account, you can now buy USDT. Go to the trade section and search for the USDT trading pair you want to use. For example, USDT, USD, or USDT, EUR. Choose the order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to specify the price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount you want to buy and click the buy button. Double check your order details on the confirmation screen before finalizing your purchase. Once you're happy, confirm the order, and congratulations, you now own USDT on Kraken.